Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we are making vegetable soup, perfect for those chilly days. I'm simply going to take this tomato-based soup, add some smoked sausage and some frozen vegetables, and voila, we have a beautiful vegetable soup. Today I'm using whatever I have on hand. So I have a yellow onion and a purple onion, so I'm going to take those and just dice those up. Next, I'm going to take my smoked sausage, I'm going to cut it lengthwise, and then I'm going to take it and turn it to the side, and we're going to dice that up in bite-sized pieces. I like making soups in my Dutch oven, so now I'm going to add some olive oil to my Dutch oven, and we're going to put those onions in there and let them sweat out just to get translucent. Once your onions have softened up, you want to remove them from your pot. Now we're going to go ahead and add our smoked sausage to that same pot. I remove my onions because I don't want my onions to get that char looking color, but I do want some color on my sausage. Our sausage has gotten a beautiful color, so we're going to reintroduce our onions back to the mix. I'm going to deglaze my pan by adding some beef broth. We're going to get everything stirred up, and don't forget to get those wonderful flavors from the bottom of that pot. That's going to make this soup even better. Now go ahead and add your lid and let these ingredients cook down together. To start our tomato base, I have some stewed tomatoes, and I have 1 can of original stewed tomatoes, and I have 1 can of Italian recipe stewed tomatoes. And I like to kind of smash mine down with a fork because I don't like big chunks of tomato in my soup. Once you have slightly pureed your tomato, add you 1 can of tomato sauce. What I have shown you this for is a great base for a vegetable soup. Now I'm going to give it a taste and see what ingredients I would like to add. I started by adding some Lipton onion soup mix, and you want to add a little at a time because you don't want it to be too salty. I added 1 envelope of the Lipton onion soup mix. And now I'm going to add 1 package of Szechuan seasoning. This is a great flavor enhancer in my opinion. We're going to continue spicing things up by adding some black pepper, along with some Italian seasoning. Guys, this was definitely an impromptu video for me. It ended up getting cold all of a sudden here in my area, so I decided to make some vegetable soup. And whatever I had on hand, this is exactly what I put in this soup, and it was absolutely delicious. Even better the next day. For that added level of richness, we're going to add some butter. Everything tastes good with a little bit of butter. So we have about 2 tablespoons of butter that we're adding to the soup. To balance out the acid in your tomato, you want to add about 1.5 tablespoons of sugar to your mixture. Once you have prepared your base and your seasonings are to your liking, go ahead and add your frozen mixed vegetables. And I am using 3 10-ounce bags. Take a look at that. That's going to be one hearty soup. Listen, this is a great base for a vegetable soup. However, if you do not like meat in your soup, you can omit the meat and you can use vegetable broth instead of the beef broth. And you can have you a true vegetarian soup. I want my soup to simmer for about 20 minutes so that the flavors can marry together. So I'm going to add a little bit more of beef broth to loosen it up so it won't get too thick. I'm going to add my lid and we're going to let this cook for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, you have this masterpiece. Look at that. That is so beautiful, so hearty. I'm going to go ahead and plate me a bowl up. And yes, I made a pan of cornbread to go with the soup. You could just use saltine crackers, but I love vegetable soup and cornbread. It's just a perfect pair. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you get a chance to make this wonderful vegetable soup. Just make it your own. Whatever seasonings that you like, that's what goes into your soup. I thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you put in your vegetable soup. We'll see you on the next one.